A vanadium flow battery is actually a 40-year-old technology invented here in Australia. It's an elegant battery that has been around a long time and is uniquely useful for the energy transition ahead of us. It's a battery that's comprised of vanadium electrolyte in 2 tanks, and we pump that electrolyte through what's called a stack technology, and we're able to then charge and discharge the battery. It has long life, it goes 25 years with no degradation, and it's a non-flammable technology, so there's wonderful uses for us in the future. The Australian Vanadium Project is one of the best vanadium projects in the world, and importantly, it's one of the most advanced. It's situated just south of Meekatharra. We can then refine that near Geraldton in an ecosystem where we're going to have some of the best renewable hubs in the world. Furthermore, our ambition, as you'll see here today, is to take that final product, convert it into electrolyte in this elegant step for what we have behind us here, and put the final product in the battery.
Australia already mines a whole lot of the minerals that are absolutely critical to the energy transition. At the moment, our business model is primarily to ship them offshore and to buy back those finished products. We actually have an opportunity to do a significant amount of the processing onshore and able to capture the value of that right here. The value of the skills, the value of the local revenue, we can localise it and we can make it here.
Because we have circa 30% of the world's vanadium resources, Australia is uniquely positioned to scale an entire industry and that value chain from pit to battery. Our ambition ultimately is that these batteries can be scaled and completely homegrown here in Australia, and I think that's wonderful considering they were invented here, and we can create the entire value chain from pit to battery.